to be trading today, but fuck. I wasn't expecting to be trading today, but apparently we have another setup, so I need to set up my stuff. Where's my life, bro? Fuck. So let's see. We have this really good to be trading today, but apparently we have this really good potential setup on. Maybe I need my phone 1 minute. It's looking like this really good setup. As I said, this is probably the only setup I'll be looking at today. The rest don't. I mean, UJ looks continuation. Geo looks continuation, as well as Euro already kind of continued. We might consider this though. We're gonna see. Let's make an analysis real quick to understand what are we trading today. So a lot of potential, actually. Even today it's a lot of potential. UK we won't be trading. DAX looks kind of bearish, but yeah, very strong sweep here. We might see a continuation model once again. So oh my god, we have a lot of potential setups today. Probably the best one is gold, and I'm gonna explain why gold looks extremely fucking good. Is because we're very bullish overall. I think this is a 4-hour. Yeah, it's a 4-hour sell-side liquidity rate into market structure shift. Hourly AVG fully filled. Very good drawn liquidity. This high and this high. Equal highs here. Look at these. Unmitigated AVG. 50-minute inverse to confirm that we're going higher. Yeah, this is just like a straight off the bat trade. This looks fucking clean, and it has our potential. It has a lot of our potential. So this is what we're looking at. Gold probably the best. Geo, we're not looking to trade Geo. I don't really like how Geo's looking here. I might consider DAX as well. UJ also looks like it's gonna continue, but I'm not sure I want to really buy into a take on liquidity, so probably not gonna force anything on UJ here. If we see a failed swing, I might consider this trade, but we don't have that good of a drawn liquidity. We just have recent lows. So yeah, gold and DAX potentially, because look at this, we have recent equal lows here. Yes sir. So see hourly, how are we looking here? Yeah, we're looking pretty fucking good to just short straight off the bat. Slightly high resistance, but yeah, we're probably gonna be dwelling lower at this point. So let me also start my recording. I forgot to start my recording. Yeah, this is what we're looking at today. Hi bro, I didn't see you on stream, but yeah, this is what we're looking at. Low resistance lows here, a bit of resistance, but I wouldn't really be worried. So gold and DAX, but gold looks the best here. Higher potential, not a lot of resistance, easy target, delay trending Asia with pretty much a higher low formation here. Yeah, 50-minute inverse just looks fucking clean as fuck. This gold trade on reaching towards the highs though. Yeah, it looks clean as fuck. So probably the first displacement we see, we're gonna take it. We do have a bit of buy side here, so we're gonna be careful at these consolidations, but yeah, we probably just need to see this get inversed, this area, and we can trade. So as soon as we close above, we can take our trade. This has higher potential, very higher potential, like 3.5. I think this is a case where, see, now the market is giving us 3.5 here. You just troll not to take this TP there if we do break, but I don't want to see the lows getting swept here, and then we break, and yeah, this is our entry. Pretty fucking good. Yeah, this is clean as fuck. This is what we're looking at. And DAX maybe a short towards these equal lows, but gold is very clean on being bullish. This is our idea. We just want to see it close above this, and we're taking it, and we're opening like New York in a couple of minutes. So don't expect to be looking at any other trade, but this is just very clean. Like, it's just like leaving money on the table if I'm not taking this trade, to be honest. but we need to see how we behave. I do maybe we see a retracement into this, but we're gonna see. I do want to see this low swept, and this is gonna be one of the inverses as well that we're gonna use. But we need to see this one. This is the main one that we need to see inverse. And above here is pretty much, if we close above here, point of no return, we're reaching higher. We might react over these, but these don't, like, we don't have POIs, we don't have resistance. Like, it's just clear way towards the highs in my opinion, if we do hold the inversion higher. Yeah, gold is clean as fuck here. We're just gonna wait on this, and maybe DAX of course. But yeah, also this is a no-brainer. It's a bit of context is not the greatest because we have a bit of resistance on these lows here, but looking to target this London lows here is pretty clean. I would wait like for a failed swing here, like wait for some sort of shit like this, retracement, and then we can look to trade if we do give that. If not, mainly gold here. Trade off of a New York Open if we do get a break. Sometimes gold manipulates an early New York Open, but this is just a no-brainer trade, to be honest. It really is a no-brainer. Just a textbook model. With this inverse, like, this is pretty much like, yeah, it's just textbook, to be honest. Fully filled hourly AVG, clear as fuck drawn liquidity, and now we have the inverse to validate our idea. Like, it's just fucking clean as fuck, to be honest. And unmitigated PI here. Look at this precision, bro. Like, this is very strong draw on price. Look at this. We left that 50-minute gap open here at the top of the range, and we have Asian highs, these highs, and the AVG. So we're very clear on drawing in that area. That's what makes me want to take this trade. This very, very clean draw on liquidity, and we can get a pretty huge R if we do break. But we're gonna be patient on seeing that break higher. But overall, it's good. It's a very good setup. I am thinking maybe we can come back around this area from here to retrace, but it does depend. I don't think we need to. And we can take this on the personal as well. Finally take a trade on the personal. But yeah, very clean. We're just gonna wait for this. We are wicking this low already. This can be a slight area of concern, but I wouldn't be too much worried about this. This can be a pretty high risk trade. It can be even a 1.5 because it's so fucking textbook. We just need a proper entry. And with a 1.5, I think we can even pass phase 1 today, legitimately. And I'm not trading for that, but this is the according risk for this trade. With a 1.5 on this, 3R on the highs, it's basically passing the account. Because I don't plan on taking partials on this. So 1.5 is, how much do we make? Like 4.5 in total. With our 3% already on the account, yeah, we can pass. We can pass here if we get good entries, because we're 3.26. We basically need, how much is, usually you don't want to make this your whole purpose, but I feel like this is a trade that 1.6 risk. This is a trade that is worth risking that much on, because it's just a no-brainer in my eyes, at least. We're just waiting on confluence, so we can actually pass the phase 1 today, but still not forcing, not trading for that, being really patient. And if the market gives an entry, I'm gonna scale in. If not. So that's pretty much our main idea, and this is the most consistent area. We don't leave runners. This is where we have our main TP. We don't need to hold more. We don't need to do any of that shit. How much? Let me think. 4,000 minus 1,628. That's like, in terms of percentage, that's 4.74 percentage on a 3R. Ooh, wait. So 4.74 divided by 3R. Yeah, 1.5, 1.6 risk we need on this. But yeah, let's see how, if we have a good entry here. That's what matters the most. For now, we're just being patient, really, and not forcing. Again, not forcing. Be patient. If we see a good entry, we're gonna take it. If we see a dog shit entry, we're not gonna take it. we're not forcing the idea or forcing the fact that we want to pass the account. I'm just waiting and seeing if we get what we want. If we don't, we're not gonna execute. We already took a dub today, so we don't need to force anything. But if this setup goes accordingly, we can pass phase one with this. DAX again, I need that big swing lower. I'm not gonna trade. Ooh, that's actually a good fucking a good displacement. Overall range is pretty balanced. That's the thing. We might not need that shit. You get what I mean? Because this is an entry that we can just take straight off the bat. We actually don't need that fail swing because we don't have POIs. We don't have POIs. Even on the 50 minutes, it's really balanced here. We're gonna see. And also gold is breaking higher, so we're gonna watch both pairs. Gold we need to close above here. DAX we need to see a proper entry. I don't like this rejection here. But in case, yeah, I would like to see a bigger displacement. I would have liked us to close like a lot bearish. And this is our entry, by the way. That 1 minute inversion. Here we are also not trading here unless we come and close strongly above. So I'm just gonna get ready in case we do get our entry. Yeah, this looks good lower time frame, this DAX trade. But this is our criteria here on the DAX one. We need to see the close below, and for now it doesn't inspire that much confidence how we reacted. So we need to see a healthy displacement for me to take this. And on gold we're currently reacting off that 1 minute FVG here, so we need to see some volatility until we decide to trade in. I can say I really trust this displacement. For now I would want to see a bit more structure on DAX. I don't like this candle here, so I'm just gonna wait on more structure. Maybe we break. I want to see if we break like strong, then this can make a good entry. But market executing here is not really a good choice for now. And gold looks like it's gonna react lower. We might have a deeper retracement, but yeah, for now I'm waiting on more structure. Even on DAX I need to see something clear. I was risking 2. It's good now. I quit negative. Yeah, bro, it is good. Ooh, I kind of like how DAX is looking. I don't know why would you go that negative R though. If we see a strong close, I'm taking this shit. 2 lots. But I want to see a strong close. I like how this gap is looking here. But we need to see a strong close. I cannot see this candle close like this. Gold rejected for now, so we're going to wait on a big ass failed swing. Yeah, DAX is reacting a bit. So we're going to see. We're reacting, yeah. I wanted to mark it. Good thing I didn't press that button. And we rejected the close, so for now, not gonna entry it. We're not gonna hurry into entering this trade. Now I want to see more confluence to be taking this. And gold for now looks like it's gonna retrace, but this toast is our criteria for this trade. This area is very pivotal, so still stays the same. That's where we want to see price come. So we're gonna see for DAX now. We're waiting a bit on more structure because the close got rejected. So we want to see that lower high form, and then if we break lower, that's when we're gonna take the entry. Oops. It's just a London continuation, basically the same we played Wednesday. London continuation, a bit of a strong low here, but I wouldn't be worried because look at this, we have actually triple sell side, we have even this low here. So yeah, I'm just being patient. Now it's good because we do have this bullish gap, and if this can be our criteria for the trade here. This is definitely our criteria here to be taking these shorts. And see, now the trade is giving us 2.5R, 2.8R, my bad, almost 3R. This is just like, sometimes the market gives us 1R, sometimes they give us more. Just really comes down to what the market is presenting. So yeah, we're waiting on this. Ooh, that's a good rejection. But we still have that bullish gap right there. This is what we're waiting for. Now I can mark it. Now if we close below this with a candle, I'll mark it executing on this bullish one. So that's gonna be my criteria, because that means we're forming the lower high. But if we don't, we might pull back deeper. So I'm just waiting on this. Yeah, on gold, it doesn't invalidate the trade, we just pull back deeper. Now we want to see that failed swing. This is my criteria for taking this gold trade. We need a failed swing. We won't be trading here because this is a very pivotal price point, so we need to see it get broken. That's our criteria. Yeah. Gold anyways, most of the times it kind of leaves like New York PM, not New York, silver bullet hours, so we're just being patient on that. Yeah, good choice here for waiting. We could have just gotten trapped very easily here on this entry. Bro, why are you deleting your messages, bro? No one really cares that much, bro. Come on. Like, seriously. Why are you deleting your messages? I don't understand. No one's gonna roast you for having negative R, bro. Come on. Yeah, if we close below this, I'm taking this entry. Like a 2.8 we can get, but we rejected pretty well of these top FVGs here. We're gonna see. We need that. Yeah, this is a very important FVG here. It pretty much dictates what we're gonna do next. Now we reacted again bullish, so yo. On gold, we're pretty much not really gonna care until we break. Yeah, so see, this is why it's smart sometimes to wait for structure to switch, because you can just get trapped like this. But good thing we didn't end it right. We're just being patient. If we get it, we get it. But yeah, I like draw. I like draw here on DAX. I like draw on gold, but we need to see us hold that intent higher. And this is gonna be where the criteria. If we break here, that's where I'm taking the trade. If we don't, we don't. Same with DAX pretty much. I'm gonna place alert on both trades. These are the only trades I'm looking at. Euro might also sell off, but I think it's just gonna deliver lower without getting a retrace. So I don't really want to trade. Like, these are the only two trades I'm looking at. We already secured the pretty decent dub today. We already took our win, so I'm not looking to force anything. If price gives me exactly what I want, I'm taking this. If it doesn't, it doesn't. There's no room for forcing. I don't force trades anymore. Yo. I'm gonna go smoke a cig. We're just letting price really unfold. To be honest, I would be fine completely if I would not be taking any trades for today. But if we get what we want, why not, right? So yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm gonna go smoke a cig and we're gonna let price unfold because it's probably gonna take some time. see. I was thinking about gold. I was AFK, bro. Oh my god, why new guys always coming when I'm AFK, bro? It is what it is, though. Always when I'm AFK. But we're gonna see. I do like Dax is not really looking like it, but look, bro, we're getting almost to the T. I did say we might come towards this consolidation to grab orders and then start breaking, which is crazy, but we definitely do need to see that higher. And it was very interesting when Juke actually had a really crazy entry. I was looking at my phone. I think this was a 50-minute inversion at the top of the leg, indeed. And then look, we raid this very good wick here, and look at this inversion, bro. This is so fucking clean here. Inversion and bearish FEG. Look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. Fucking melted. That was a clean as fuck entry, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this was clean as fuck. But pre-New York, like, I don't know why sometimes the market really moves clean pre-New York, but DAX not really looking like giving too much of a shit here. But yeah, these are the trades I'm looking at. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. Nasdaq, let's look at Nasdaq real quick. But oh yeah, I didn't look at AU today, but AU also, yeah, also continuation here, pretty clean, but off lunchtime, pretty nice inversion. Let's see, UJ also, I was thinking maybe I could have taken this on the personal. I wouldn't really consider this to be tradable on the funded, but maybe here on this cap, oh no, I don't necessarily see a reason we fail, but it's still risky even for the personal. But yeah, we're gonna wait and see. At this point, we're probably can delete this already. It looks like we're bullish. And UK, let's see, UK is bullish as well, but these are not trades I would take. This is very choppy price action. The only trade I really like is gold. And DAX, if we do break lower, but we need a big ass swing now for me to be taking this trade. Because I was expecting maybe, okay, maybe we hold this inversion lower and start breaking, but even that we rejected. So we're gonna see. We gonna see how much do you have on right now, or what did you say right now? What do you mean right now, bro? Sorry, I wasn't active. What do you mean how much do I have right now? What exactly do you mean? Detail. What do you mean? Sup, dude? Welcome to the stream. I don't know if you're still here. It doesn't really show me that you're still here, but if you're still here, give us a bit of detail on what you mean. I didn't take any of the trades. Or you mean per like funded account? What do you mean? Funded is 50k and personal is like $70 personal. I peaked at 100 something. See, 71. I peaked at 100 something, but I trolled a bit lately. But I started the account at $30 and I was doing pretty good. And funded, we're in phase 1. Let me show you. Phase 1, 3%. We just started the account like September 2, like 2 weeks ago, 10 days ago. You? How about you, bro? You trade funded or you trade personals, or how do you trade? It's looking good here. I like that we're rejecting, and it looks like we're gonna build bullish for the flow. Can this be an entry though? Like straight off the bat, it's risky. I feel like I need a big ass swing here to be taking this trade. It can be a crazy yard, but I ain't looking for that, bro. Yeah, we need a fail swing. We need this low to see this low getting broken here. I think gold will actually, like, usually the first hour of New York doesn't really do much on gold anyways, most of the times. It's actually something we will get done, but see why this consolidation is important, because we mitigated and now we're still holding lower. That's why I'm waiting for it to get broken before considering any trades. It looks good, but it's just risky to trade this. I like our equal lows here. Very good draw, extremely good draw on liquidity here. It's just about timing right now on DAX. It's about timing our entry right. Same with gold. Gold has an extremely good draw on liquidity, but we need to time our entry well. It's crazy here how I did say both of these areas are important. In one we respected with the bodies, and the second we wicked. It's really interesting. Really interesting. Yeah, this is our criteria. These are the only trades. I already took dubs today, so I can't really hear much of what you're saying. So let me see. Maybe I was far away from the mic, my bad. I was saying, how about you, bro? How are you doing? How about you? What do you trade? Do you trade personal? Or do you trade? What do you trade? I was too far away from the mic, my bad. I also said it's crazy how I said this, both of these areas were important, and one we respected with the bodies, and the second we respected with the wick. That's really interesting on gold here. They both have really good draw on liquidity. It's just about really timing right now. So yeah, on both of them I'm waiting for a big ass swing, big ass switching structure to be trading. I'm not looking to force today. Yeah, I want to see this. Same with that. Gold. What do you trade? Do you trade funded or personal? They both have really clean draws. Now it's just about really timing. Yeah, timing the move. And probably we're gonna get a silver bullet, most likely. We're gonna get this entry silver bullet. Now it's just about being patient, really. I mean, it's not much to enter on, really. Maybe people actually entered buys here. Maybe. But as a troll, we go and see what he do. Arcanus. People be crazy. Nice, bro. Okay. Good job, bro. I don't know if you're on stream now, but the first guy to message our payouts in the group, bro. Nice, bro. The first one to to put a post here. Hi, bro. Are you this guy, bro? Are you Arcanus or am I tripping? But yeah, clean trades. If this is you, clean fucking trades. Just one-to-ones, clean one-to-ones. Yeah, people be winning in this Discord. It feels so good, bro, to see people active. Yeah. I thought this is you. You can, if you want to join, you can check the Discord in the description. We grow in every single day, bro. This is crazy, bro. And it's people actually being good at trading. This was my trade for today. One break even, one win. And people be fucking smacking. Look at this shit, bro. People be smacking on our group. Sheesh. We're starting to move. But it's crazy. The first, yeah, it's so nice to see, bro. Like, people actually getting paid. Like, for so long, I didn't even think like trading is possible to make money on. And now we got people on the Discord that actually make money, which is crazy. Even if it's $324, it doesn't fucking matter. It's still a payout. It's still getting money, so that's great. To be honest, it really makes me happy. I'm probably gonna have to do a bit of work on this. Hi, bro, welcome. I'm always saying hi. I'll probably have to do a bit of work on Discord since it's starting to grow a bit. I need to do a bit of work and make it cleaner.
We have another.
Oh shit! I started my live. Stop, bro. Let's see, do we get some today or do we not? Even if we don't, like, it's fine, bro. It's all goody. Even if we don't, I kind of want to watch something really. Oh, I want to see if did PB Trading post. I really want to see. Please tell me they posted their fucking. Bro, why haven't you posted, bro? I want to see these guys posting in the next the next trader bootcamp, bro. I don't know why these guys ain't posting, but yeah, this is a very fun series. If you didn't watch this, just watch it, bro. It's very fucking funny. What can we watch? I do want to watch something trading related, but I don't know what. For now, it looks like we're very surprisingly on gold, but I think it's just short term. We just came for this low. We're gonna see. I still think it's short term. Criteria still says the same. We need to see that pivotal high get broken. Same with DAX. How long have you been trading? 3 years, bro. 3 years. I think 3 years and 1 month almost. You? How about you? I don't know what's something trading related, but I don't know what. Let's see. I mean, while we wait for our setup. Yeah, let's see how this guy trades. This
What's good, everyone? Welcome to today's trade recap of the day. Today's
Let me see. Tell me if you can hear this guy, because last time I had my audio too low.
So we'll get into how I did that in just about a second here. I first want to acknowledge. I ended up taking 2 trades today, though. Get into that. I ended up.
This guy trades so simple, but weird enough, I know this guy has an interesting style of trading. 2 weeks, really? You're new, okay? It's gonna be a hell of a journey, bro. Just be ready. It's gonna be a hell of a journey. You can't hear him? What do you mean? Like, for me, OBS, when I play the clip, like, this is my desktop audio and it shows me you can hear him.
Okay, so here's the P&L, right? Made $980 across my accounts. Even do a little refresh. All right. And it's gonna be a hell of a journey for you, bro. On my TikTok and Instagram, so go check that out if you haven't.
Just be ready.
Go follow those accounts. And
but I'm actually gonna lower the audio because it's not really that relevant what this guy is saying, anyways.
Sketching me out. I think there was a short that ended up happening. Also,
this guy has a very simple trading model. He just trades towards unmitigated 5-minute gaps.
And
like, look at this. Yeah, his model is right there.
Closing here and then hitting this low before actually getting an entry. It makes sense for price to then go. This ended up happening. What? But then,
this was just a continuation, isn't it?
And then higher, right? And
but it's weird, bro. Like, I don't know.
Like this, where we are model,
this guy trades 1 to 1 hour and makes like 250k. Not 250, 25,000, my bad. But I don't like trading Nasdaq, bro. I can give you exactly the info you need if you want. I can give you, like, at least what I learned. But yeah, if you want to. What are we gonna watch? It's crazy that this is not even my main YouTube account and it's almost everything is trading related. Backtesting trading. Live trading session. 20-year-olds, yeah, TGR. How I fix my trading psychology in Minecraft. I traded like 2 years ago, but lost a lot since I was clicking buy and sell. Yeah, you probably have had no idea. You were just like, what do you think is gonna happen? Like, oh yeah, it's gonna buy here. Oh yeah, it's gonna sell. I was the same, bro. Bro, this guy is a gambler. You've probably been trading like this guy. This guy is a fucking, like, bro, I don't know what this guy's doing.
Today, I did see that price has been slowly grinding lower after this pop higher a few days ago. So low key, I was leaning a little bullish.
But so since you're starting, let me think. What can I say? Well, first, focus on technicals. Learning some concepts that you like. I recommend these. Let me actually type, even though I'm kind of lazy and the last thing I want to do right now is type. I would recommend, probably market structure is the most important part. Like it's definitely the basis of the markets. Market structure. 2, definitely, let's say premium and discount. 3 is liquidity, definitely. Liquidity. Okay. 4 sessions. Oh, and I forgot. Also AVGs and inverses. This is what I would recommend. This is what I'm using now after 3 years. Oh my god, there is no way you lost that much. Oh my god. This is what I recommend. Maybe you can screenshot these and you can start learning them. This is what I use now. It's very simple, like 5 concepts. Oh shit, the axe is breaking. There is no way you really lost 7. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Yeah, that's nice, bro. That's exactly how I started as well. That's actually nice. Exactly how I started as well, with the candlestick trading Bible, but ended up to these. It's actually a good break here. Let's see. I'll let this here. So actually I like how we're behaving here, but I wouldn't enter yet. Let me remove this. Yeah, that's a very useful book. It basically teaches you like candle behavior. Like even here we see a pin bar. Like these are not like, how do I say, like for you to trade alone. Like you're not most likely not going to be trading these patterns, but they're going to be useful to really read behavior. Read behavior of price. It really helps. Okay, this is good, but I do want to see, as I said, I'm gonna stick to my criteria. I do want to see that shit right there, and the retracement. Another entry here. I'm taking this. If we see something like this, otherwise, not really. Bro, to be honest, a friend showed me it. At first, I wasn't really interested. He showed me that he was making like $300, but I just didn't really get hooked, and I think I just came back later when I found out about Bitcoin. But to be honest, like for most of us, it's really money what got us into it. But then I really fell in love with the process. Like I really love trading in itself, and yeah, that's why I stayed. That's it for the process, but started for the money, and because yeah, I was lost. I didn't know what to do with my life. He didn't already be a 3R, but I like this. What about you, bro? Okay, gold doesn't give a shit here. Interesting. Why are we not actually printing bullish? Oh shit, that rejected the entry hard as fuck here. See, this is also kind of candlestick behavior. It's almost like an engulfing, but not really. But this shows clear rejection of sellers of this low. Nice. So let's see. Also, this could have been like an engulfing. Yeah, almost. Yeah, we keep rejecting that entry, but I do like the start in a sense, but we did reject the low, so that really invalidates the trade. We're gonna see. What about you, bro? What got you into trading? Well, mostly I wanted to trade because we are like quite struggling on life, and trading is the best I could think of. Yeah, bro, it is. Where you from, bro? It really is, bro. It's the best skill you could ever learn. Like just printing money. Like even if I'm on a phase 1 right now, just look at this shit. Let me see. Platform. Like this is, yeah, now after 3 years of hard work, this is what I'm reaching into. Like this type of win rate is like 2K in like 1 week or some shit, which is a lot of money on a 50K account, which is the starting point. Philippines. Oh yeah, I love Philippines, bro. I love Philippines. And yeah, only to date, yeah, a lot of break evens here I got, but overall high win rate and 2K in like 1 week. Even though it's a phase 1, this is gonna turn into real money at some point. So once you master the skill, it's, yeah, there's no better job than trading, to be honest. But um but it is hard. It is hard until you actually reach that point of where you can make money on a consistent basis. Where I'm from Romania, bro. From Romania. 1 second, I'm gonna be back in like 1 minute. Not even more than that, 1 minute. Okay, listen. I mean, knowledge, bro. I haven't watched Bitcoin in a while. Yeah, this is a good start, but we still need to see that retracement. Bro, me. Me, of course. It's me who made it, but yeah, I'm gonna have to go like for 5 minutes and I'm gonna be back. I was saying that I'm back. I'm sorry for being I have to eat. Okay, bro, me too. You added me. I'm gonna let's see. My bad. I was what did I want to do? I want to send a link. So if you guys want to participate in this, can I copy this? I cannot copy. Can I make a poll on Discord? I don't know if I can make a poll on Discord. Oh no, I'm probably gonna remake this. Oh my god, I'm so lazy to remake it. Gold is also looking like it's breaking, so we might have a trick in gold. We're gonna see. I don't know. I don't know if I would really want to be trading today. I'm thinking about really taking the day off. Yeah. I don't know. Where's my fucking streaming? Yeah. Maybe gold, but it needs to form a lot of structure, and Dax got rejected. Good thing we didn't end up trading here. I'm not really looking to be forcing. At least Dax is done. I don't like the structure here. I'm probably gonna watch it, but it depends. I'm just gonna make this. Hold on, it's not, bro, not this one, bro. And what hours did we have? London lunchtime. Boom. Boom. And boom. Yeah, we're gonna see. I don't know, but if you guys want to participate in this, Saturday calls on Discord where we just talk about trading. Please vote on this to establish an hour we want to trade. But yeah, gold is looking like it's breaking. We're gonna see, but I don't really want to force any trades. We need to see something really clear here for me to be taking this. Dax, hell nah, hell nah, hell nah. Unless I don't know, we get something clear. You already played out those sells. Wanted to see the retracement, but we just played out like pre-New York. Same with Geo, bro. This 1 minute is so fucking clean on Geo. I know 6. I think you traded this. I love it, bro. We gonna see. Okay, euros, but Jews bullish as well. This could have been maybe a retracement trade of the sell side sweep into the spy side, but really forced at this hour, really. So yeah, probably gonna end the stream here because we don't really. I don't want to force a trade. It's pointless. I don't need to force any trades here. So I'm gonna see you guys. I think tomorrow. I mean, in the Discord calls. I wanted to see Monday, but tomorrow I'm probably gonna stream it as well.